Finally, instead of borrowing, you may also serve as a supplier. In order to enter supply mode, click the Supply tab, which will show the same markets but will instead show you the Lend API, which is a little bit less than the Borrow API. Some of the markets also receive rewards streamed from the Curve gauges. These markets have the access and the ability to boost these to earn even higher rewards. In order to supply, you would deposit, and then once you have deposited, you would take the resulting LP token and stake it into the markets. You may not be able to withdraw if someone has taken out a loan against your supply, so be careful. Suppliers also face the risk of bad debt if the entire market nukes. For more information, check out the resources link at the bottom. The documentation provides a wonderful overview.